Hon Nsereko father Alhaj Nsereko Abdul death and obituary. Hon Nsereko father Alhaj Nsereko Abdul death, has created a buzz online. The politician's father death was confirmed via Facebook by Spark TV. Alhaj Nsereko, the respected father of Hon Nsereko, a prominent figure in the Ugandan parliament, passed away this morning. Muhammad has been a dedicated representative of the Kampala Central Division constituency since the auspicious year of 2011. Hon Nsereko has played a significant role in the legal field. He is an accomplished lawyer registered as an advocate with the Uganda Bar. He has been a partner at the prestigious legal company Nsereko, Makaleza and Company Advocates since 2007 and has given his professional expertise. In addition to his legal skills, Nsereko's influential career was defined by his devotion to the community and his leadership of the Kampala Central Land Committee, which he held from 2006 to 2010. Hon Nsereko father Alhaj Nsereko Abdul death. The political world saw a touching scene on January 10, 2024, when Alhaj Nsereko, the father of renowned politician Hon Nsereko, said his last goodbyes. Social media was filled with the announcement, especially on a well-known Facebook page in Uganda. Friends, relatives, and those lucky enough to join him on his trip love the legacy that Alhaj, well known for his intense bonds with his family and close ones through his works, leaves behind. The reasons behind Alhaj Nsereko's death are still unknown and need to be verified via the internet or other sources. The air is heavy with curiosity and a need for truthful information to reveal the truth behind the cause of Alhaj's death as the public is searching for genuine details. Alhaj Nsereko obituary, family mourns the loss. Even though Alhaj Nsereko's political achievements may not have received much attention, his son's remarkable career has been an essential carrier for his father's legacy. As word of the passing of his death spreads online, a surge of warm thoughts and a moment of silent reflection among everybody are emerging. It is evidence of the lasting influence that friendships and family ties can have beyond personal achievements, leaving a deeply felt impression on those he touched. Since Alhaj Nsereko's departure, friends, family, and close companions have posted emotional condolences online. Heartfelt words are all over the internet, expressing the outpouring of support and love for a life that touched many. Since he is now surrounded by the people who loved him, the online condolences of tender feelings take witness to the influence he had on the lives of those who are grieving his loss. Alhaj Nsereko Abdul's son, Hon Nsereko political journey. Hon Nsereko, Uganda-born politician was born in August 25, 1981. He completed his high school education at Kaump Muslim Secondary School, where he graduated in 2002. He graduated from Makerere University with a Bachelor of Laws in 2005, and 2 years later, in 2007, he was awarded the prestigious Diploma in Legal Practice. Jumping in 2011, Nsereko entered politics in the 9th Parliament, 2011 to 2016, by running for the National Resistance Movement, NRM, seat in the Kampala Central Division. After winning, he became a prominent opponent inside the party, raising issues with how the NRM was leading the nation. Hon Nsereko, who ran independently and won re-election to the 10th Parliament, 2016 to 2021, firmly believed in leadership. Interestingly, he is a well-known opponent of the current constitutional amendment efforts, especially the divisive proposal to remove the presidential age restriction. He is now regarded as a leading proponent of maintaining Uganda's fundamental principles of government due to his unwavering dedication to protecting democratic values and opposing constitutional amendments. Nsereko's consistent commitment to upholding the constitutional framework indicates his continuing devotion to the democratic process in a political scene characterized by constantly changing obstacles. Hon Nsereko's dad pronounced dead. Hon Nsereko, a Kampala Central Member of Parliament, has pronounced his dad Alhaj Nsereko Abdul dead. He posted it on his social media for his family and friends and family members that hadn't known to know. Hon Nsereko's father died yesterday evening, but the cause of his death hasn't been revealed to the public by anyone. According to Hon Nsereko, the burial arrangements haven't been made and he will be able to communicate them to the public once they are made. Inalilahi wainayahi urajun. Alhaj Abdul Nsereko, my lovely dad, has passed on. May Allah grant him Jannat Firdaus. From Allah we came and unto Allah we shall all return. You're a great dad. We shall convene at Bugalobi Plot 101, Luthuli Avenue. Burial arrangements shall be communicated, Hon Muhammad Nsereko posted. Hon Muhammad Nsereko announces the death of his father Alhaj Abdul Nsereko. On the 10th of January 2024, the Kampala Central Member of Parliament Hon Muhammad Nsereko announced the unfortunate passing of his father, Alhaj Abdul Nsereko. Alhaj Abdul Nsereko had a notable career as a journalist with UTV/UBC before deciding to resign from his professional responsibilities. At the time of the press release, the cause of his death remained unknown and was yet to be determined. Ugandans are currently conveying their messages of condolences through diverse channels. The news of his demise has deeply affected his family and friends, who are still struggling to come to terms with the reality of his loss. A vigil will be held at Bugalobi Plot 101, Luthuli Avenue, where his lifeless body currently rests, allowing mourners to pay their respects. Subsequently, his remains will be transported to Kibuli Mosque for prayers, and the official burial ceremony will take place in Bulikanama, located in Mukino district.